All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at AI images or Aimages, and this is basically an AI image editor and video editor. You're going to be able to enhance videos and images from your web browser using artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's jump in. I'm going to scroll through, just kind of look and see. It looks like it has some integrations with Facebook, Google, PayPal, REST API. And best for content creators, graphic designers, videographers, alternative to Adobe Photoshop and Topaz Labs. There is a video you can watch right there from AppSumo, the normal 2-minute rundown. With AI-powered tools, AI Images enhances your videos and images so that they look high quality, even if they were created with dated technology. So it's probably going to really work and shine with really old images. If you have a high quality camera and you're taking photos, I'm not really sure how much this is going to be able to do or enhance for you. But definitely if you have something that's dated, like it said, it's going to work really well. You can prepare prints, enhance underwater photos, reduce ISO noise, and create professional e-commerce product images with only a few clicks. Okay, so cool stuff. Just keep scrolling through. Here's the plans and features. You get lifetime access, obviously. All future standard plan updates. We can go and look at what the standard plan is in a minute. 10 gigabytes of video upload size. That's pretty generous. Even with really long screen recording videos, they're not ever 10 gigabytes like that. They're usually not even ever 5 gigabytes. But if you're filming on a really high quality DSLR camera, then this could end up being an issue, I'm sure. Upload videos up to 2K in resolution and upscale them to 4K. So that's one of the coolest things, just looking at that, even watching the video, the AppSumo video, you're able to upscale photos and videos. So if the video is done in 720p and you want to upscale it to 1080p or something like that, then this software will do that. Now, I don't know if I have a video that's 720p where we could test that, but that's actually something that's a really cool feature. And if that actually does work and it really can enhance a lower quality video and make it super crisp and better, then that would be just alone a good reason to pick up the software, right? If it can do one thing that is really difficult to do or cost a lot of money, and the software can solve that one item for you, then it makes itself worth it for you. Okay, let's see. You can enhance up to 3 videos simultaneously, 3 AI filters at once, 15-second free previews. Cool. Okay, license tier 1, 22 credits monthly. Not really sure what a credit is. Maybe that's each filter you put on there or each project. I'm not real sure. License tier 2, just double it, 55 credits a month, and then 110 credits for the tier 3. This one's going to be a little bit difficult to kind of look and compare until we jump into the tool, if what the pricing is like and if it's seems fair. People asking questions, go down over here. There's no reviews yet. It's brand new software. People are asking questions. I'm sure they'll get their first review soon. Here we go. To those wondering about credits, perfect, guys. Here we go. Here's my video, 30 seconds long. Tier 1 is 22 credits a month. That is equal to 1 minute of video upscale. That's all I get. I laugh out loud. So if it's 30 seconds long, up to a minute, so it takes a credit to fix, right? Okay, so I went ahead and clicked on that just to make sure it was an okay link to click on. And it looks like he's just, the person's selecting some of these different filters, and you can see how the credits go up. The upscale is one of the is going to be the highest credit based thing to click on. So it's a credit based app. So that is not going to be too exciting for most of you. Okay, so I clicked on that link over here, and I just wanted to make sure it was safe to click on. But basically this person is going and showing us how they click on a filter over here on this video, and then you can see how many credits it will actually cost based on the filters that you select. The upscale one is the most expensive. When they click on the upscale right here, look at how many it is. So definitely that tells me that essentially you're going to want to get license tier 3 on this plan. you're going to want to go ahead and get license tier 3 if you pick up this software. That's just my recommendation. You're not going to want to run out, and it looks like it's a credit-based type software, so you're going to want to get the max that you can get right here. Okay, we're going to go over here, check out the plan over here. Looks like you can buy credits one-off on their site, but 30 credits is $25. And we come back over here, you're going to basically, you know, get close to that for a one-time payment right there. So after like 3 months or 2 months, it pays for itself, kind of essentially, right? So yeah, definitely it's a little. I don't know what the credits look like, but based on the video and everything, and based on what I'm seeing right here, it looks like the credits they're not too. They're not, I guess, forgiving with the credits. It's pretty pricey. So these 75 credits per month right here at $59 kind of tells me that you're going to get almost double that right here if you get license tier 3, and then after, you know, half a year, it will pay for itself essentially. Okay, so that's kind of the way that I try to look at this. When would I make my money back? If I paid it off, if I was paying for it monthly, how long does it take to pay off the lifetime deal plan essentially? Okay, so we're inside the software right here. Okay, so we have images, we have videos. I want to jump in. I guess you can click right here and it will tell you all the different things that we can do. 200 AI Upscaler, so obviously that one, the 400% is going to cost even more. So this is what essentially this looks like right over here. Before you put it in there, and then you upscale, and it's a lot crisper, and you know, I mean, this is like a horrible image right here, and then blurry and everything, and it actually does look a lot better. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks better. That's essentially what you can do. Here's the 400% upscale, so you've got this kind of like pixelated image right here, and now it's like looks like a normal image. So pretty cool. Decompressor, you can check and see what that's going to do. And then let's go through film cleaner right here. That's pretty cool. Okay. Color restorer. So you're over here, black and white, and we're going to come through over here, and it's going to like colorize it basically. Okay, so those are some things that we can do inside the software. I'm going to go over here and see if I can actually, you know, upload a video real quick. Click on video. I'm going to go upload video. You can drop your file or push the browse button. All right, so I'm just going to pick this one over here. Just a video that I have in one of my folders. It's for one of my other channels with affiliate marketing. It's about 13 minutes long. I am on the camera as well, so it's going to be a little bit bigger file. I'm going to upload this. I want to see just for myself, for my own purposes, how realistic it is to look, you know, how much the credits cost for a video that's about 13 minutes long, and so forth, right? And then we'll go and we'll try to test an image as well in a minute. So as you know, this is more of an unboxing type style review. I haven't messed around with this software, so everything that I'm seeing right now is for the first time. I like doing reviews like that. I've asked you guys, most of you like reviews like this where it's, you know, me looking at a software, and because it's basically what you guys are going to experience as well. So it's a little bit different way of doing reviews. And I just you guys get my first reactions to the software. Sometimes I will check out a software for 30 minutes to an hour before I bring a review. But in this case, it's more of an unboxing. So, all right. So we have our video right here, and I guess we can go click the enhance button, and then we get all these filters over here. We can trim the video right here. So they do have a trim tool. I'm going to look at the advanced settings right here, and you have different things right here that I don't want to mess with. We do have encoding quality was recognized as high. It looks like we could actually move it to a very high if we wanted to. And we could convert this over to MOV or an MKV file. It's an MP4 right now, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so here we are, and let's see, full process cost 0.25 credits. Let's see right here, full process. So what is full process? And then a free 7-second preview. So I'm not really sure. I'm going to pause the video and see if I can go and find out what. Looks like I get 5 credits on this free review. But I don't know what full processing is, because why would full process only cost 0.25? But then if we select these, look at how look at how many credits these are. Noise reduction right here, 84 credits. Color restore, slow motion. Okay, so there's nothing that I can click on that's not going to be like over 80 credits. 200 upscale right here, 134 credits. So it's based on the length of the video as well, and that's just not even, I mean, that is not even, it just, the way that the credits are being used is ridiculous, is all I can tell you. Because I mean, a 13-minute video is on the low end for myself, right? And if I can't even do one of these, like, look, 84, if I want to do noise reduction, 84 credits, right? 84 credits, and if I was even on the tier 3 plan, that would wipe out my entire credits for the month to do one video process for one AI. Okay, so all I can tell you right now, for video processing, this is going to be for very small 10 to 15 second video clips. Maybe you are a YouTuber and you're putting together small video clips, and you run into a clip that is just a really low quality video clip, or it's a Creative Commons video that you want to enhance, then, you know, as long as it's, you know, maybe 30 seconds or less, then that would be more ideal. Let's see if I can actually trim the video to just like a few seconds right here. So just a few seconds, and then if I wanted to upscale it, so it's way less. So that's exactly right. What I was saying is that if you have something that, you know, look at the credits are way smaller now with a, you know, however, that 1026 to 1046. So that's a 20-second video, 20-second video clip, and we would be able to actually come in and select multiple. Let's see, it's only letting me do one at a time. I thought you were supposed to be able to select 3 at a time, but nonetheless, oh, it's only letting me select one AI filter, and that might be because I'm on the free plan. I'm not sure. But regardless, this is going to be good for short video clips that you're going to try to restore and then put together. So there still could be a really good use case, but this isn't going to be a full-blown video editor for like a YouTuber like myself that creates 10 to 30-minute videos. It just would not work. But I do want to come in and see if I go like this for fun. I have no idea what full process means. If I'm clicking on it and it's not even letting me do anything, because a full process, I imagine, means that it's going to apply all these, and it would just cost way, way too much. So yeah, it doesn't look like that's even going to be an option for me right here. So that is the video. So I'm not going to be able to really show you. I guess I can do that. Let's just go and bring this clip down to the first 20 seconds. Looks like, yeah, 20 seconds is really all I can set it at. And let's do I guess let's just see if we can make it more crisp. So we're going to go in here and see if we can go with the 200% upscale. Yeah, I can't do the 400, but a 200% upscale, full process, video resolution too large. Video processing resolution is free plan is limited to 1.3 pixels. Okay, so can't do it on that one. I'll be right back. I'm going to see if I can find a lower quality video. Okay, so I just went to YouTube, found a video, and we're going to go and test this out. I went ahead and downloaded it. I'll show you the quality. I downloaded it at, let's see right here, at 360. So I downloaded this at 360p, so it's really, really bad quality.
Hello everyone, today I decided to start
You can see it's pixelated and everything right here, so here we go. Let's go and upload that one over to our Aimages software. So we're going to come back over, and I'm just going to push the back button. I'm going to upload video, and let's try that one instead. This one right here, right? 360p. Hopefully this will work for the software. There's a software. We're going to enhance this software. I don't think it's going to let us do a full process. No, it is a 2-minute video. I want to upscale this now, so we're going to select that. It's going to cost 1.89 credits. If we wanted to go with the 400%, that would be cool. But let's just see what well, I guess, no, because I want to do some images as well. Let's do the 200% and just see what ends up happening. And we clicked it. Okay, so we are going, right now, it is going to be working on our enhancement. I don't see where the actual like update is. Okay, in progress right here. So spinning up AI server, about 4 minutes remaining. Okay, so that's cool. It's a very simple interface that we have here, and it looks pretty similar to what you'd expect with when you go to any of the AI tools online that do this sort of thing. They want to make it as simple as they can. And then here's the ones that you have that are ready to look at. And then there's your uploaded stuff. Okay, let's go and look at some images. I'm going to go image, and I need to go and find some crappy images. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I found an image that didn't look that great. So we're going to drag and drop it in there right there. Okay, looks like it was a 1500 by 800 pixel right here, 1.2 megapixels. Free preview. It's going to be watermarked on a free account. I don't know why it's doing a processing right there. Darn it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got back to the regular spot that I was at, and let's see, select AI filter. So we're at 200% upscale, 400% upscale, a smart denoise, and an aqua filter. So on the free account, I'm sure that's why I'm limited to just these 4 right here. I would be surprised and disappointed if these are the only filters they offer for an image. It is also interesting that there's a drop-down box right here. It would have been nice to click in and then have all those options like that you do on the video, where it's just a little bit easier to kind of look and see what's going on. But you just get this little tiny drop-down box right here, so I'm not too impressed with that. We're going to go with, well, for now, let's go with a 200% upscale. I guess 400% upscale. I'm not sure how many credits that's going to cost. I also want to make it a PNG. Okay, so this is cool, guys. If we go down to 200, notice the credits right here. So this is good because we're going to be able to, I'll be able to tell you that for image, doing image editing with this is where this is really going to shine. And that, I guess, is why it's called AI Images. It is pretty, I think, lenient, and the credits match up pretty well. You would be able to, at 0.2 or 0.3 credits, you'd be able to do, like 4 for every 1 credit. So let's just say you have, it would be 22 credits that you get, right? And it would be 22, and each one it'd be like times 4. So you would be able to do like 88 images with 1 AI preset. Based on tier 1, right? See how I did that? It's basically you get 4. You're going to be able to do about 3 or 4 for every credit, right? So if you're using this for images, I definitely would recommend it. Obviously, we need to see the results here in a minute, but if you're doing video, I really just think it's going to be a letdown for how fast you're going to use your credits. So I want to go with the 400 upscale PNG, and we're going to process this. All right, processing started. It can take a few minutes. So we process that image, and we're going to go back over here real quick. When you're in here, I don't see where there's like I guess I'll push a done button, but I don't see where there is a place to get back to, to where we want to be. Videos. I guess it's with videos, and then we go into enhanced. In process, it's only at 10%, so I will have to pause the video for you guys. But images, it looks like it's still working on that as well. So it's not something that you push a button and then it's just done for you. It does have to go into their system and get processed. I can't imagine that it's just extremely busy or something like that, but who knows? I'm going to click on my Similar Web, see if they already have traffic coming to the website. Okay, so it's definitely an established website, getting 100,000 visitors per month. So this business is already established. They've already got customers. So that's what's going on. They do have people that are using the server probably right now. Looks like the image is going to work pretty quickly. Probably just take 5 minutes. Go get a cup of coffee, come back. And then the videos wise, it's still in progress. So we'll come back in a minute, take a look at the results. Okay, we are back. Let's take a look at the image after it's done processing. So I'm going to go ahead and download the image, and here we go. We did I think the 200 or 400% upscale, and you can see that it definitely does a good job with images. Very, very crisp. Very impressive. I think that with the image upscaler, you can just see how detailed this got and how crisp everything is. So I'm impressed with the image upscaler. So that's the example right there. We could do more tests, but I think that let's see right over here. Yeah, so we only did the 200% upscale, and you could see how it just blew that image up, which is super cool. We're going to go ahead and try something else. I don't know what the denoise is. I'm not really a photographer, but let's go with an aqua filter for fun, and we'll go with a PNG file. And we'll process this one as well while we go look at the video. So let's go back over here to videos real quick, and let's see if we have, we've finished it. It's not in progress anymore. It's enhanced. We're right here. I'm going to go ahead and download this, and we'll go and give it a test run real fast. I'm just going to push play when it's done, and we will look at it.
Hello everyone, today I decided to start a wood project using pallets. I want to build a deck for the shed and a square where I can plant some flowers. The board on the top will be on a diamond shape. You don't need too many tools for this kind of project, to be honest. I've got from Amazon.
Okay, so it does look like it blew it up, but you could see with the guy's like shirt and stuff, like I could see a little bit of things kind of floating around, a little bit like blurriness around some objects and stuff. Maybe that's, I mean, it's a 360p, so it's not a good quality that we came in with. But I mean, so far, I mean, just my reaction, you guys let me know in the comments what you think, but I'm not very impressed with the video portions of this. I am impressed with the image portion. Let's go with, I want to come over here and look real quick. Properties, yeah, right over here. So this is the actual properties of what we just downloaded, 26 megabytes, and it did frame width 720. So I think it upscaled it from 360p to 720. So we could, I would do another test and try to upscale it to the 400% and see if we can get the 1080p, and then also how crisp it's going to look. I don't think it's going to, look that great just based on this. So it's decent. That's what I'm going to go with for my just kind of conclusion. I think that with the video upscaling, it's decent, but it's not like amazing. I don't know any other tools though, to be honest. I don't really know any other tools that do this, quickly by just pushing a button. So I think it could still work for small clips. It probably will enhance. But I definitely think that if you hire someone to do this, they're going to use all the expensive Adobe products and so forth. They're going to probably be able to do a lot more with it, with those powerful softwares. So again, my conclusion on video is that I probably wouldn't pick this up if I was just doing video. If I was doing images, I definitely think I would use this. Let's go and see, where's the one that is, okay, yeah, we didn't upscale this one. So it's this top one right here. It should have an aqua filter on it. I don't really know what aqua filter is. Let's see over here real quick. So this is with the aqua filter on it. I really don't know what it did. Did she have a blue shirt on? Does it actually mean blue? Yeah, she already had a blue shirt on, so I really don't know what it did, what the aqua filter did. I think I want to try one more image for you guys. Just grab the image, and we'll try this one real quick. The smart denoise, just to see what it's going to do for us right here. I'll be right back. We'll download that image real quick. Okay, so I'm not really a photographer, so I don't really know how to look at what it's doing for us. But I don't really see much. The part that was very impressive was was definitely the scaler. So if you need to scale up images, then this is going to do a really, really good job at scaling up an image and making it bigger without losing quality. It does not look like it lost quality at all. So very, very impressed with the Upscaler with Aimages. Okay, so let's go ahead and conclude this review. So we looked at Aimages or Aimages today, and we kind of tested out a video, we tested out an image, tried all the different filters on the image and so forth. The pros of the software is it's very easy to use. I mean, it's extremely easy to use, pretty intuitive, almost too basic. You just click a button and then you do a drop down, select, and then go, right? It was fast, so I'm glad that I didn't have to wait an hour for enhancements to happen. It was pretty darn fast. I was actually typing an email. When I pushed pause, I was actually typing up an email and things like that, and then came back to finish the video. It's very fast. So those are some of the pros, and I also think it's very good with the image upscaler. So if you need to make lower resolution images, better quality at the click of a button, then this software would be for you. That's where it's the most generous with credits. I would go with, you could just select this. Now I can see how a license tier 1 could probably work for you if you're only planning on using the software, a few times a month, up to 88 times a month actually with image upscaling. If that's all you're going to use it for, then you could actually go with license tier 1 or license tier 2. If you're going to do anything with video at all, or you're going to be a power user, you're definitely going to go with license tier 3. So all in all, I think that, I didn't show you the product roadmap. I could spend another 30 minutes on the review. I'm not going to do that though. All in all, I think it's a pretty solid software. I think it does have use cases if you are planning on upscaling or making your images higher quality. And then small video clips at 20 seconds or less, I think, and then tier 3, I think you would get some really good use out of it as well. So overall, I would say this is a pretty good software. It's not for me, not like overly impressed with it or anything like that, but also it definitely was not a crappy software that I would not recommend picking up. For the certain user, this software probably is a great software to pick up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to LearnWire if this is your first time seeing my videos. I do in-depth reviews and like software unboxing, if you will. So I'm not the typical 8 to 10 minute product review telling you that the software is amazing and go buy from me. I actually do a deep dive in here. You get to see the software for yourself, what it's really like to log into the software and actually use it from a real user's standpoint, and from somebody that's not just trying to send you to my affiliate link, right? If you do want to support the channel and this software does look like it's something that you want for your business, there is a link below. You can click it and go pick up the software. It does help support the channel, but it's I want to provide more value, and I'm not trying to push sales or anything like that. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.